Thanks, Gareth. Wait for me to get back.
Did he?
Ja, mate. Coming up, so
I've pushed through the ranks, pushed myself to the limits, and I've earned myself a place in the squad. I did my gun over presidency.
Melanie is far there.
because we are in a very difficult group. And I think it's going to take everything for us to get out.
Need something different in different positions, and some of the players that you just named there in other positions, we've got people that are playing better football at this moment in time, or a better level, or there's reasons for it. And like I said, as a manager, I'll always be honest with the players, and that's what I've done. I've sat and I've been honest in my reasons.